Hey guys, my first CSS video. I have an application that is intended to be used on a mobile device, devices with touchscreen, but it should also function in the web browser on a desktop computer with, using a mouse to scroll. However, I noticed, let me see, if I use the device mode, I still see the scroll bar, which I don't really want, since you can just scroll like this, and it takes up extra space. However, if I remove it here, so if I make sure it's gone, then let's just do that for a second. Let's say I don't want to display the scroll bar for devices that are smaller than, that have a smaller width than this. I could do something like h scroll overflow x hidden, but this is going to remove, so it's going to hide the horizontal scroll bar, but it's also disabling the scrolling functionality for some reason. So let's see if that's, see, the scroll bar disappeared and I can't use it. So that's a problem. And it's not so evident to know when you are on just on a small device using a mouse or whether you're on a mobile device using touchscreen. So that's the point of the video today. Let's remove that again. Could probably have done display none, but it's going to result in the same thing if I'm not mistaken. Let's see. Yeah, okay, it's hiding the entire thing. Should have been, let's see, WebKit scroll bar. And we can't scroll, so it's gone. That's not useful. So I went to look for a solution, and I found this nice Medium article from Riccardo Andreatta explaining how you could use CSS to detect whether you're on a touchscreen device, mobile device or not. One way is to check if the device supports hovering. So that's mostly, hovering is mostly with the mouse, not with your finger really. Not with the stylus either. But you can use something more specific, and it's checking for the pointer type. Coarse means not very accurate, so limited accuracy is probably your finger. Fine is probably your mouse or stylus. And none, I wouldn't know which one that would be. Maybe some kind of AR or VR glasses or something. I wouldn't know. And here he explained it again. Let's see, do we have a pointer of none? We don't see a pointer of none. So you can also combine these for more accuracy, for a better understanding. Feel free to take a moment to read this. Mouse and touchpad is also fine. Yeah. Over. Okay. We're just going to work with the course property. And then I would say, yeah, pointer none is not really, just put this here just in case. But yeah, the more important one is the course one. So when we assume we're on a mobile device with touchscreen, if the pointer is not that accurate, so we assume it's a user using his or her finger, and then we hide the scroll bar. So let's see how that works. So we are on the same small device, but using a mouse. Yeah, this just disappears because my layout kind of breaks. But you see on a width of smaller than, yeah, well, on a small device, as long as we have a mouse pointer, the scroll bar is visible. Let's say we switch to the device mode. The scroll bar disappeared, but we can still scroll sideways, which is great. That's all for this video.